Hi, Paul from Power Wash Store here. I want to introduce you to our new Whisper Wash aftermarket aluminum spray bars. Now we have these spray bars made in 3 different sizes. We have our 19-inch aluminum spray bar that is for like the classic. We also have a 24-inch that fits all 24-inch Whisper Wash surface cleaners, like the little big guy or the Ground Force. And we have a 28-inch spray bar that fits the big guy or any other 28-inch bar that you may have. Now, we manufacture these bars with a high-grade aluminum uh, bar that is aircraft-grade aluminum. We made it out of a 3/8 aluminum stock, and I can show you the difference. Here's an original Whisper Wash spray bar. We made it with a 3/8 opening, and you can see with that 3/8 opening, we are able to achieve a much better flow rate versus the 1/4 inch, which is typical. The other advantage you get is that on a 19-inch spray bar, we are 3/10 of a pound less in overall weight, so that adds life to your swivel overall and helps it to last a lot longer. Another advantage we have is that we put a stainless steel adapter on there versus the steel one, so you don't have to worry about any rusting or corrosion. Now, these bars are all made with a 4 nozzle setup, which you can probably see better on the shorter one here. If you do want a 2 nozzle setup, you're going to need to order an additional plug on it. We recommend our partner BF 804A, and that is a brass plug. You would just screw it into the inside port and put your nozzles in the outside. These nozzles for these bars are sold separately, so we do that so that you are able to pick the nozzles that you need to properly size for your machine and without having to change anything. They are equipped with, again, the adapter for the swivel, and we do have the plugs already in the ends for you. So all you have to purchase is either 4 nozzles for your system or 2 nozzles for your system and 2 plugs for your system. These are available online or at any Power Wash Store location.